Today, we're diving into the world of AI-generated video production with a review of Synthesia. With technology evolving rapidly, it's essential to know whether Synthesia is still worth investing in. So, let's get right into it. The link to Synthesia is in the description. Synthesia boasts a user-friendly dashboard, a vast library of templates, and customizable AI avatars. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Synthesia makes it easy to create captivating videos. Navigating Synthesia is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and helpful tutorials. Whether you're a video production guru or a beginner, you'll feel right at home with Synthesia. Synthesia delivers impressive results with lifelike animations and realistic voiceovers. While there may be some occasional limitations overall, Synthesia produces high-quality videos that are sure to impress. Synthesia offers two main plans: Starter and Creator. While the Starter plan has some limitations, it still provides great value for the price. For businesses with more extensive needs, the Creator plan provides additional flexibility and customization option. So, is Synthesia worth it in 2024? Absolutely. Whether you're looking to streamline your video production process or enhance your online presence, Synthesia has you covered. And there you have it, folks, our review of Synthesia. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.